Hello YouTube. It's Nakakato, I guess. I never really say my username IRL that much, so it's kind of weird for me to say, but I am the dandere2x developer. And we got some dandere code here to prove it to you guys, but anybody can just claim that from GitHub. Today I'm giving a desktop tour, because I have a pretty badass desktop here. So we got a Geek A50 case, and I got a custom fan installation. The specs for this, let me I'll keep talking as I unscrew this. So this is an RTX 3070 deshrouded. You know, I custom modded this myself to fit in the case correctly. Holy shit, can you and it actually doesn't fit in the case I purchased for it, surprisingly. So I really fucked up on that one. So I have to deal with this burden of how do I keep the computer cool but also like closed case, because like I just don't want to like indefinitely keep it open case because I need to travel sometimes. But this is the current configuration for it. We'll show the big reveal right here. Oh, look at this. And we got some two slim Noctia 15mm fans right here. And they barely keep the graphic cards cool enough. It just keeps it there just for idle mostly. And they got tactical rubber bands to keep together, but this is an RTX 3070. They're as rare as diamonds. But diamonds you can actually buy. I don't know where to buy an RTX 3080 if I wanted to. And these two fans here, oh shit. I plugged them in when the graphics card gets too hot, like if I'm playing a Cyberpunk. I plug this guy in. Let me pop that on right here so you can see what I'm doing. I got some duct tape right there that I'm using. I actually plugged this little bugger in, and I'm playing games. If you listen to this, you can hear it yourself. And as you can see, like, you can imagine this, like, actually helping a lot keep it cool, but it's fucking, oh shit, stop. It's fucking loud. This fan's spinning at like 3,000 RPM. It's bringing down over like 270 cubic meters of some units. I don't know what the units are, but it helps keep the graphics card cool enough for me to play actual games like Cyberpunk. Without that fan right there, it actually overheats. And, on the other side, let's bring it over. Oh shit. We got a Ryzen 30-100 right here, the 12-core AMD CPU. And just like the other side, we actually have an external fan taped to it. And the Ryzen itself is underclocked actually too, so even with underclocking, we still need like external fan on it. I'm trying to get a faster fan because like it just does not work on full settings on the current cooler I have. I have a lot of Noctua products if you can't tell. But yeah, this computer actually really wasn't meant to be. I actually originally had this in a full tower case, but I sold it to my roommate because I thought it would be cool to do this as an experiment, but it's been a pretty failed experiment. Like I keep waking up, I'm like, oh shit, fuck this up. So this is the fan in here. I got some RGB RAM though, but yeah, all these fans on the external are actually 100% needed. But yeah, this is my computer setup. It's a mini ITX case. Put my Xbox controller right next to it for a reference in size. And yeah, this is where I do the dandere2x work, I guess. Look at this. And I got my my mechanical keyboard here. Oh shit. Quiet down there, buddy. Hear those keys? They're not very good keys. I want to get a nice mechanical keyboard soon, but this one's holding up for now. And got a gaming headset here, but yeah, welcome. Oh, this is an ultra wide monitor. It's actually not mine, it works, and I'm just using it for when I break. But yeah, happy to show off my custom dandere2x development machine. It's pretty fucking nice if you ask me. Now, shit, I forgot to mention, I have this duct tape here because like without the duct tape actually, the side of the case actually doesn't close and the fans internally won't spin. So I just added a bunch of duct tape as a buffer, so like the panel itself can't touch the fans. But yeah, this setup, you know, I wouldn't do it again. And as you can see, the top fans don't work. I actually don't really know why. I have to go home. I'm at my parents' house right now, but my actual apartment actually has a cables for these fans to spin correctly. I'm not really sure. Yeah, they're trying to spin, but I don't really know why they're not. But yeah, this is a pretty failed experiment of a computer. Like, there's no beating around the bush, but it's mine, and I've been developing on it. I want to break. Bye, YouTube.